In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Google Chrome browsing history on iPhone. This is useful if you want to clear your Chrome search history, cookies, cache, or browsing data for privacy. First, open the Google app on your iPhone. Now, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Search History. If you want to remove everything, choose All Time. This will delete your complete Chrome browsing history from the device. Now tap on the Delete option. You will see different choices, like Delete Today, Delete Custom Range, Delete All Time. If you only want to remove recent activity, choose Delete Today. If you want a specific time period, tap Custom Range and select your dates. And if you want everything gone, simply choose Delete All Time. Some apps also give you an option to auto-delete activity, so you can set it to remove data automatically after a certain time. Once selected, confirm the action and your data will be removed. And that's it. Your history or activity is now cleared successfully. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips, app tutorials, and tech guides.